Hey guys, Sarge here. I'm wanting to come talk to you guys real quick about one of my sponsors. This is Active Carry Technologies. For my time dealing with a lot of the law enforcement military side of the house, I've seen a lot of different medical equipment released, and some of them are real gimmicky and they don't really work well. This is not the case with Active Carry Technologies, guys. Everything they send you is at a good price point, right, for the consumer, but it also is just jam-packed with a lot of equipment that you guys need. What we don't want to forget, because we always remember guns and ammo and magazines, but we always seem to forget having medical supplies. And when you can have medical supplies at the ready inside of a small portable pouch that you can molly it to your kit. I have something set up in my vehicle where I can molly it to the actual vehicle seat itself. They're just good to have, guys. This is something where you can buy a bunch of them, throw them in bags, throw them in packs, whatever it is, and it's just always something to have with you, so when a medical emergency arises, you can literally treat everything yourself. Now, with the medical equipment, you need to get medical training. It would be ridiculous to think that we have people out there who have no idea what they're doing and they're successfully doing tracheotomies. I sincerely doubt that, okay? Grey's Anatomy will only teach you so much, okay? So we need to get away from the TV and go actually do medical training, all right? So if you guys have any questions about where to get your medical training, let me know and I'll send you to some guys that I personally recommend because I think they're doing some of the best medical training out there. Stay tuned for more, guys. Sarge out.